throws, got hit as he let it go, and Crowder will tiptoe in for the touchdown.
Jamison Crowder, he makes the catch and able one-on-one to get that in.
In a block, got wide open, he's got the wide receiver Crowder for a touchdown.
Steps through some of the trouble, finds his man Crowder. And Crowder is going to take it down inside the 20, little stutter step and out of bounds. Inside the 10 to the 9, 41-yard catch and run by Crowder. That's his longest of the year. Pass by Darnold, caught by Crowder. And this is a big play with 1:25 left.
Yeah, he just does a great job of setting up in his ability in order to be able to set a guy up, not understand leverage, and then run across the field. That's really good work on his part.
Out to his right again. Throws, pass is caught for the touchdown. Crowder. What a throw, what a catch, and a 4-yard completion. We'll check it to make sure he was in.
Yep, it looks like that left toe was down on the ground, and it is a touchdown. Here's a better look at it. Once he has possession of the football, that's a touchdown. That's good coverage too by Marlon Humphrey.